these presents. It says Jordan from Santa. What does this one say?
Mommy.
Okay, hold on. You guys ready to start? So what should we do? Should we start on our stockings?
Some of mine is...
Should we start on our stockings?
This is mine.
Yeah. Oh, yes, that's Kung Fu Panda. Yes.
Mama, can I open?
Should we do the stockings first, or should we do?
Oh, stockings.
Look at what Santa did. Now check the table. Check the table. See what happened with the reindeer and stuff, and Santa's cookie and everything. And
Let me see. Rudolph ate one. Santa Claus ate one. Santa Claus drink.
he was a big milk drinker.
Mama, he was about to kill it.
He was about to kill it. He just left a little bit there. So, whoa.
Hey, what's on the dog door?
Hey.
Dog door? Oh, that's
No. What's on the doggy door?
Oh.
Ho. There's a picture on the dog door.
Wow.
Who wrote
That's
that?
a message from Santa. Wow.
Ho from Santa.
Wow.
What's in the stocking? Wow.
Here, let's open the stocking. Let's open the stocking first.
Here, let's give one to Mason. Give Mason his.
Mason. Whoa, bubbles. Okay, we're going to have to keep
You
a loop.
love bubbles.
Well, let's see
Here,
what Mason got.
This is Mason's stuff.
Let's see what Mason got.
Mason, come here, buddy. Mason, here, look. Put your hand inside here.
Let me get the camera.
What's that?
Whoa.
What's that?
Candy.
What kind of candy?
Hershey's in the cookie.
What was Santa thinking? Giving you that much Hershey's.
That's a lot of candy. That's a lot of the good stuff.
Bubbles.